Melanie Eifling of Colson Auctioneers, in conjunction with Tony Neal and Danny Jones of the Stevens Group, presents 2752 Owl Hollow Road, to be offered at Absolute Auction Thursday, March 28th at 1:30 p.m. Central Time. Located in Franklin of Williamson County, Tennessee, this custom 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 7,200 square foot Honest Abe log home is nestled atop 17.75 wooded acres, just minutes from downtown Franklin. The main level features the grand great room with cathedral ceilings, exposed beams, rock fireplace, custom carved mantel, and large windows overlooking the secluded acreage. The master suite features a large master bathroom with dual vanities and private access to the wraparound porch. A modern kitchen with all appliances and access to the wraparound porch is complemented by a large walk-in pantry and sits adjacent to the laundry room with a full bath. The main level also features an additional spacious room with wraparound porch access. A state-of-the-art home theater with custom lighted stadium theater seating, projection screen, and speakers completes the main level. In addition to 3 bedrooms and 1 bath, the upper level of the home features a unique common area overlooking the great room, ideal for an office or lounge area. The wraparound porch encompasses the home and leads to the 2-car garage with generous storage and an upstairs spacious studio apartment with full bathroom, walk-in closet, screened-in porch, and private entrance. The property is currently available for inspection. Contact one of our agents today to schedule a personal tour and join us Thursday, March 28th at 1:30 p.m. Central Time for your chance to place the winning bid on this one-of-a-kind, hidden Williamson County retreat in Franklin, Tennessee.